Okay.
Daddy, let's go. Daddy, I think it's... Daddy, can I hold it? Or maybe I will drop it.
See? Now you see how they are coming towards us.
Yeah, they move it. Why they not move it to Kali? Oh, Daddy, did you see it? Daddy, and the clap is stronger to go with. Daddy, why not link it? Wait, is it linked?
Not yet. You hold this.
This teak one?
Yeah. I think it won't rain. Shall we go back?
No.
It only lightning happened only once and it stopped. There was no rain at all. What do you think?
Wait, I feel
Did some water fell on you?
a little bit, but it's cold. But I don't see it raining.
Yeah, it was just scary. That's it. Right?
Weird.
Yeah, let's go back.
Daddy, I can't see. Daddy, where's me? Daddy, still the bedrooms are there.
Yeah, they didn't remove it.
Yeah. Maybe next year they will get a birthday, if they put it on so they can. Daddy, why did we put a decoration outside?
Because they don't have space inside.
I also want it. And why they get a trampoline and I don't for my birthday?
Which trampoline?
It's the one they have.
Hmm?
And I don't have a trampoline for my birthday.
For your birthday?
Yeah.
We can get it. See, now it has become more dark.
Daddy,
Did you see? It has become more dark.
Daddy, I think if we come home it will rain. Daddy,
See, the clouds, they are becoming more dark. See, they are joining each other. Do you see how they are going up?
but the white cloud doesn't look scary. Look, behind you. Right?
Oh yeah, those are white.
Yeah, and
They don't have any water in them.
Yeah. Wait, there are flamingos?
Hmm?
Did I feel here? Daddy, do you feel any raindrop?
No, not until now.
Wait, again.
Let us go near and see. You can put it there.
What? That saw blue light.
Yeah, now some water is falling on me.
See, I told you. Ah!
Yeah, time to go.
Wait, again. Daddy, I want to look at it.
Now no need to look anywhere. Now we need to reach home as soon as possible. Otherwise we'll get wet. It's time to go home now.
But I want to see the light from this way.
See, now the water is falling more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now is the time. We have to go home now.
I feel too.
You got to walk a little bit faster, Zara. You got to walk a little bit faster.
A little bit more.
A little bit faster.
A little bit more too. Daddy, one flower. Daddy, but the white cloud didn't get darker.
Yeah, they don't have water.
Yeah. Daddy. Ah!
It fell on you.
Daddy, the park is scarier and here is. Ooh. Wait, it's water or steel?
Check if you have any strawberries.
Yeah. What? Wait,
Oh.
raspberry?
Wait. And is there anything else? Is there any raspberry? Oh, there is one hidden. There is one hidden here. Shall I break it for you?
Yeah.
Wait. There you go. Okay, let's look for anything else.
Hey, Daddy.
There's one more.
No, somebody eat.
Oh, somebody already ate it. Too bad.
Daddy, how about a squirrel eat it when it becomes wet?
Yeah.
Daddy, we should take one home because older squirrel will take some. Is there any more strawberry here?
That's what I'm looking at.
What, Daddy?
What's there?
Something's moving.
A roly-poly?
No. I think it's a snail. It don't have a shell. Look. See? Do you see? Wait, I don't see it now. Oh, I see it. Dad, I see it crawling. Dad, it's right there. Look. Look there. There's a white. It's moving. See? Daddy, do you see
Yeah,
it?
yeah, I saw it.
Daddy, what is it?
Let me look at it closely. So where is it?
So it's white. It's white.
Where?
Wait, they are actually here? Wait! Ah! I found one! Ah! Daddy!
Wait.
Daddy, I see it! Daddy, I put strawberries.
No, I'm just breaking off these plants. They are not good.
Daddy,
Hmm.
it's gonna be gone.
This shouldn't be.
Daddy, you're gonna get more than your hands. Daddy,
Hmm.
you're gonna be late because there I can't see it now. Oh, there's spider! Over there. Daddy, I see a spider with black and white. I mean black and green with green dots.
See, do you want some goji berry?
Goji berries? No. No, Daddy.
Yeah. One. I'll give you one. See, these are very nice. Try it. It's very nice.
Is it tomato?
No, it's goji berry. How does it taste? It's sour?
No, it tastes really bad.
There's more. Do you want more?
Spider? Spider.
Hmm?
Spider. Oh! Daddy! Raindrops! Daddy, it's making noise. Daddy, hurry up, it's getting rain. Daddy, it's falling all over me.
See, do you want one lemon?
Lemon, no. No.
Just smell it.
No, I don't want.
Just smell it.
Or eat it? Did I eat it?
If you want, you can. Wait, I'll give you fresh. I'll give you a fresh lemon. Okay?
Daddy,
Hmm.
I'm gonna open it door.
This is fresh.
Like soap.
Yeah. Smell it? How does it taste? Like a lemon?
Daddy, does it taste? It don't have sugar. It doesn't taste anything. Wait, is that a spider? Oh, wait, this is spider. Daddy, where's spider? Daddy, where's spider?
Okay.
Where's spider? Come on. Oh. Close it. Oh, hold it. Now open it.
Oh, the rain started now. Let me check if we receive any mails. Hold it.
Okay.
Oh, see? Got to be careful. No, not like that. Oh, go inside. I'll check and come. More. See, this is like this.